Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kieran, I'm a junior doctor and a comedian working in Manchester. We are about to tour one of the coolest hotel rooms that we have seen on the channel. We are in Oia in Santorini with views from a hot tub over the caldera. Let's go inside and check it out. The first thing to note is that just above us is Oia Castle, and this is the famous point in Santorini where everyone comes to watch the sunset. So the fact that you've got private space here and space to actually stretch your legs is something really unique. The first thing we have is a door that goes to 3 private suites, one of which is ours. So over here you can see we've got the Aegean Sea, we've got a moody bay down here, and also views over Santorini, which is absolutely insane from this point, and to have this vantage point as well. We've got 2 doors we can see here, both of which are opened by this one apartment key. We've got one door here which takes us to our private terrace and hot tub, which we'll check out in a second, and we've got the second door which takes us into the room. Let's go into the room first. As we enter the room, you'll probably notice that, like most things in Santorini, everything is white. The reason that it's white is because the hot Santorini sun makes everything so warm so that the white color actually cools things down. So even without the AC, which is basically in every room in this crazy apartment, you are still quite cool when you come into the room. The first room we have is a bit of a reception room. It's a nice little entrance you come into with a day bed / sofa that you can sit on, just chill out, relax and have a nap after you've been in the sun all day. Opposite the sofa, we've got a coffee table. We've got this little unit here, which has an espresso machine on, which we have been absolutely smashing the coffees here because you need the energy to walk up and down the steps. And a TV, of course, white, Santorini white, to match the rest of the room. We've got 2 rooms connecting to this. We've got the bedroom, which we'll go into in a second, and then we have got a dressing room. Let me show you the dressing room first. The dressing room is set back in this little cave, and it's quite cool, it's quite quaint, and as you can see, it's filled with all of mine and Sam's clothes, room for shoes, a little safe, and loads of little cupboards that are quite unique, a few steps that take you down here. So it's nice to have a little space where you can put all of your stuff away so it's not clogging up your room. As we move into the bedroom, you'll notice that it's quite basic, but it's also quite chic. This is a classic Greek Santorini room. Everything is white, everything is set in these tiny caves. Even the desk in the corner is set in this little cave in case you wanted to do a bit of work or had some paperwork to do. We've got the bed here, some two lampshades and bedside tables either side. And then of course we have these little statues which keep an eye on you. These little Greek statues, busts that look and keep an eye on you as you sleep. The final room in this apartment is the toilet. The toilet is actually on a separate floor. So the toilet is on the floor above. Let's go and check that one out before we go to the terrace and show you the crazy views from the hot tub. So this is the bathroom. As you can see, we've got the sink here, we've got all of the towels, the toilet here, and then a little shower around the corner. There's these tiny little windows that you can get a little sneak peek out of to get some crazy views over Santorini. As we move into the shower room, you can see through these windows, you can see the whole of Santorini, which is absolutely insane. Now let me take you to see the coolest bit of the apartment, which is of course the private terrace and the hot tub. For that, we need to go back outside. We are now standing on our private terrace overlooking Santorini, overlooking the caldera, overlooking a moody bay. The camera's going to struggle to get this because I don't have a filter on it, but as you can see, these views are absolutely insane. We've got 2 day beds that you can lie on here. We have got a little table which you can just chill out on, watch the sunset in the evening with a couple of chairs, and of course the hot tub, which we spend at least 2 or 3 hours in every single day watching the sunset as it goes down over here. This might not seem like much, this might seem like quite a small reserved place, and you might think that it's a lot for the money, but the craziest part about this apartment is just the location. All of the streets that line where we are now are where everyone is queuing, like packed like sardines, to watch the Santorini sunset. So the fact that you've got more than 1 square foot of space to watch the sunset is what this apartment pays for. The fact that you can sit in your hot tub, have a drink in your own privacy and watch the sunset means that this hotel, which is Art Maisons in Oia Castle, is one of the coolest that we have been to. This is the Santorini sunset, the bit that everyone is queuing up just to get a glimpse of, the most beautiful sunset in the world. We're looking at the sun just a few hours before it's about to go down. Thanks for watching the channel, guys. As always, if you are new and enjoy lifestyle content and all of this sort of thing, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.